She's like, what do I do? Look at her! Naya, try to... She's just like, what do I do?
My present. Look at my everybody knows. All she needs to do is go like this.
That narrow doorway, she's in real trouble.
She's like, what do I do with this?
Eat it.
She wants to take it upstairs.
You want to go upstairs?
Wait, let her go upstairs, Kurt.
Go ahead.
See if she'll go.
Go ahead.
She can't get through.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
She's making sure she doesn't hit anything.
Go ahead.
She'll be fine.
Go ahead. Go on, Naya. One more step. You can do it.
Come on, I know it's heavier than you, but there you go.